somebody me. Maybe he just don't like you. No. It's gonna be fun, bro. You got Luffy. Who you pick? Who do you pick, Luffy?
You already know who he's gonna pick.
You gotta get that man a chance to soil his
Royal Oats.
soil of Royal Oats.
Hey.
Nah, they ain't gonna go on. This is the chocolate one's first time out, like when it's out for real.
For real.
Yeah, the black one, that joint been in my house getting ate up by Juju and them. That joint probably a little game time for real. It probably go a little bit because they been at my house. Yeah. That chocolate one, she definitely like nature. She got like a tiger stripe on her, man.
I feel like she might have brindle, but I doubt it. But you can see it, but
Yeah, you can see the joints like.
But I doubt it though.
Right where you looking at, right here. That's what I'm looking at.
You can see the brindle, but it's like, where in the world would she be getting brindle from?
That's what I'm asking.
There's
And
no
I'm
way.
Maybe that Crystal Merle.
She could be a Merle. And it comes out later. I mean, we don't have that much experience with Merles because the first litter ain't born yet.
Yeah,